If you are a student and still making notes using simple old school pen and paper, then this course is going to be a life changer for you. This one course is going to take you from old school paper-based note-taking towards digital note-taking using Microsoft OneNote. Using Microsoft OneNote, you can handwrite notes or type it up using your laptop. There are so many ways, but this is going to transform the way you learn things, the way you memorize, and there are so many small tips and tricks for exam, focus, studies, and note-taking that I'm going to discuss in this one course right here. Some people try to jot down every single thing that is being discussed in their lectures into their note-taking, but I will teach you how to make sure your notes are customized towards acing your exam and learning the content which is most important and relevant to the course. We all strive to be the perfect student and make those perfect notes, and in this course we will learn using Microsoft OneNote how can you have the notes that will help you ace your exams. So welcome to my Skillshare course on how to take digital notes using Microsoft OneNote. My name is Sam from Teachodontist. And by end of this course, I'll make sure that you learn number one, how to get started with Microsoft OneNote, how to download it, and what are various features and options available in Microsoft OneNote. Number two, how to print lectures in Microsoft OneNote so you go completely paper free. Number three, how to use OneNote on iPad as well as on laptops and MacBooks. Number four would be taking notes during the lecture using Microsoft OneNote, of course, and after lecture, how can you refine those notes and use a modified cornell'stechnique to take your notes. Number five, we will go over an amazing technique of mind mapping, creating flowcharts and creating tables using Microsoft OneNote so that your notes are even more summarized and up to the mark. And number six is going to be learning about audio recording feature. How can you record lectures and sync the lecture recording with your notes so that later you can come back to those notes and see, okay, what the instructor was talking about when I jotted down this particular note. All these features make Microsoft OneNote an amazing and versatile tool for note-taking, which you will learn right here in this course. So why wait? Let's learn digital note-taking using Microsoft OneNote. Welcome to this course, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.